Hi everyone, it's me, Christine. Today we're going to do an unboxing from the Crystal Council, and it's a monthly subscription. I think I explained it before. You can choose the different sizes or price range that you want. I'll put all the information in the description box below. And it's a monthly, like I said, monthly subscription. Um, and it's just a little box of goodness that comes. I did cut the tape, and we're going to look at it for the first time together. This is June's box. It's a little late. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You get a little card. This one says handmade soaps. How ironic. That's what I do. I make soap. This month, we are excited to announce for the first time in our June monthly exclusive was created by one of our longtime subscribers, Heather. She has been with us since our first month as a company. Per her own words, Luna Love, a unique apothecary, is part of Four Winds, a collection of handmade art inspired by the beauty of everything that comes together in the end. Making Luna Love is an honor and loving memory of our loving dogs, Kona, Luna, and I can't see the other name because it's like smudged, who started every day fresh and full of life and love. We want to share the story and experience through our art with the world. Be the beauty you want to see around you, then make it. And then the Crystal Council June newsletter. Cheers to the summer. The season that we all long for is finally back. Warm weather, long summer days, and good vibes are here for the taking. Such an important question is, how are you going to capitalize on the weather? Get outside, get in the sun, and feel the rays pumping life force throughout your being. Allow the sun to provide you with the all-important vitamin D so you can stay healthy and on the go. This is a great time to ground yourself to the earth, place your feet in the soil, and become one with Mother Nature. As Emerson once said, live in the sunshine, swim in the sea, drink the wild air. The lunar events this month is June 24th, which is tomorrow, is the full moon. And we are in Cancer. And we had the summer solstice on the 21st. So every box comes with a scroll. And this scroll tells you what's in the box. Oh, I got a little scratch off. I'll do that later at the end here. All right, so this is what it's looking like. I'm going to assume this is from the Luna Love Coconut Shea Butter Soap. And it says, be the beauty you want to see in the world. And it's a little soap. How cute is that? All right, so none of the crystals are marked. So we're going to have to guess at it. All right, I'm going to assume it is. This is green tangerine. Can you see it? And that's how big it is. It's really pretty. And there's a big description, but it's basically a grounding and engages self-loving processes to allow us to be comfortable in our own bodies. All right, then I'm not sure what this one is. Prehnite is a stone of communication with higher beings such as spirits, guides, and angels. This stone is very unusual because the psychic abilities do not come from the third eye, but rather the heart. This connection from the heart with the higher beings is hard to achieve, but once it is a trusted communication line, it's stronger than normal. So look how pretty. It's huge. What am I smelling? Oh, the soap. Okay. Then we got Crazy Lace Agate and Blue Sheelite. One's for spiritual talisman, for the blue sheenlight, however you say it. And the Crazy Lace Agate is a stone of transformation. So they came in this little bag. We didn't get a sticker this time. So this is the Crazy Lace Agate. Look how pretty. And this one is the... Oh no, I'm sorry. That was the blue sheelite. And this is the Crazy Lace. Look how pretty. Look at the markings on that. The energy on these are always so nice. I'm going to let you look again. It's really unique. And then this one again. What a beautiful stone. And then very nice. Okay, so we're going to scratch this. I'm going to open that soap too and show you guys. It says scratch to reveal your exclusive. You guys. Okay, we're going to... In an earthquake. All right, it's a code for 30% off. Ascend 111 for 30% off. You guys can one of you guys can use it if you want. All right, let's open up this little soap, which is just adorable. I think it's soap. Oh, it's soap. It's cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells lovely. And that's the soap. Oh, that's a nice smell. Okay, well that's it. Short and sweet. I will put all the information for the Crystal Council down in the description box below. And if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It helps my channel. And upcoming, I think I'll be doing a new makeup look. I have makeup on today. I was busy today. I had to go and deliver some soap and send some orders out and cut and wrap soap. So that's it for today. All right. Well, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.